Do you want to unlock the secrets to healthy, shiny hair? Today, we're diving into the world of hair care. Picture those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. They're not as far off as you might think. With the right routine and a dash of dedication, you can transform your tresses from lackluster to lustrous. We all know the struggle of dry, damaged hair. It's a common problem, but it's not an unbeatable one. And let's not forget about the elusive shine, that seemingly magical quality that can make hair look vibrant and full of life. The good news? It's achievable for all of us. In the coming segments, we'll take you through the ins and outs of hair care, from the role of diet in hair health to essential habits, and even do-it-yourself masks for that extra shine. We've got a treasure trove of tips and tricks just waiting for you. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets to a glossy, healthy mane. Believe it or not, what you eat plays a significant role in hair health. Imagine your body as the grandest castle and your hair the crowning glory. Just like any castle, the strength and shine of your crown depend largely on the materials used in its construction. In this case, the materials are the nutrients from your diet, and the construction workers are the cells in your body. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is like the perfect blueprint for building the castle. It provides your body with the right tools to construct healthy and shiny hair. But let's dive deeper into this blueprint, shall we? First and foremost, we have vitamin E, the guardian of your hair. It's like the protective wall around your castle. Vitamin E helps maintain the integrity of your hair, shielding it from the damaging effects of the sun and pollution. Foods like avocados, spinach, and almonds are rich in this vital nutrient. Next, we have iron, the sturdy foundation of your hair. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which delivers oxygen to your cells, including those responsible for hair growth. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss. So, to keep your hair's foundation strong, include iron-rich foods like lentils, spinach, and red meat in your diet. Lastly, we have protein. Think of it as the bricks of your hair castle. Your hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin. A diet lacking in protein can result in brittle and weak hair. To ensure you have enough bricks for your castle, consume protein-rich foods such as eggs, chicken, and tofu regularly. But remember, while these nutrients are essential, it's important to eat a balanced diet. Too much of one nutrient and not enough of another can still lead to poor hair health. Think of it as building your castle. You need the right balance of materials to create a strong and beautiful structure. Remember, good hair health starts from within. So the next time you're about to bite into that juicy apple or hearty bowl of lentils, know that you're not just feeding your body, but also nourishing your crowning glory. Now let's delve into some essential hair care habits for that enviable shine. Firstly, let's talk about regular washing. It's crucial to keep your hair clean, but remember, overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. A good rule of thumb is to wash your hair every 2 to 3 days. If your hair is particularly oily, you might need to wash it daily, but try to use a mild shampoo. Next up is choosing the right hair products. Not all products are created equal, and what works well for your friend might not work for you. Tailor your hair care routine to your hair type. For instance, if you have dry hair, opt for moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. And remember, less is more when it comes to hair products. Overloading your hair with too many products can weigh it down and make it look greasy. Now let's touch on heat styling. We all love the sleek, smooth look that straighteners and curling irons give us, but these tools can cause significant damage to our hair over time. Try to limit your use of heat styling tools, and always use a heat protectant spray to shield your hair from damage. Lastly, regular trims are essential for maintaining the health of your hair. Even if you're trying to grow your hair out, don't skip on regular trims. Trimming the ends of your hair helps to prevent split ends and breakage, keeping your hair looking healthy and shiny. So there you have it, regular washing, using the right hair products, avoiding heat styling, and getting regular trims. These are the essential habits you need to incorporate into your hair care routine. It might take some time to see the results, but trust me, the wait will be worth it. Incorporate these habits into your routine and watch your hair transform. Sometimes, our hair needs a little extra love and care. And what better way to do that than with some DIY hair masks? These homemade treatments are not only cost-effective, but they're also packed with natural ingredients that can give your hair that extra shine you've been craving. Let's start with the all-time favorite, the avocado mask. This green fruit is not just for your toast, It's a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin E and B, which can boost your hair's health and shine. All you need is one ripe avocado, mash it up, add a spoonful of honey for its moisturizing properties, and apply this concoction from roots to tips. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Next up, we have the honey mask. Pure honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with a cup of warm water, apply it to your hair, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off and say hello to glossy, hydrated locks. Finally, let's talk about the coconut oil mask. This oil is a miracle worker for dry and dull hair. It penetrates the hair shaft better than any other oil, providing intense nourishment and shine. Warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil, apply it to your hair, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. For best results, you can even leave it on overnight. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these masks. Incorporate them into your hair care routine and you'll start seeing results in no time. You can experiment with these recipes, maybe add a few drops of your favorite essential oils, or mix and match ingredients to see what works best for your hair type. These DIY masks are not just a treat for your hair, but also a great way to unwind and indulge in some self-care. So, set aside some time, whip up these hair masks, and give your hair the nourishment it deserves. Now let's debunk some common myths about hair care. First up on our myth-busting agenda is the belief that trimming your hair frequently makes it grow faster. This idea has been passed down through generations, and while it's true that regular trims can help maintain the health of your hair by removing split ends, it doesn't actually speed up growth. Hair growth occurs at the scalp level, not the ends, and it typically grows about ½ an inch per month regardless of whether it's cut or not. So, while you should definitely keep up with your trims to avoid split ends and breakage, don't expect your hair to grow any faster because of it. Next, we have the myth that brushing your hair 100 times a day will make it shinier. This is another tale that's been around for ages. While it's true that brushing your hair can help distribute natural oils from your scalp to the rest of your hair, making it look shinier, overbrushing can actually cause more harm than good. Excessive brushing can lead to physical hair damage and breakage, particularly if your hair is dry, so it's best to brush just as much as necessary to detangle and style. Lastly, let's tackle the myth that shampooing leads to hair loss. This is a misconception that can cause unnecessary panic. In reality, while it's normal to lose a few strands while washing, shampooing your hair doesn't cause hair loss. In fact, not washing your hair can lead to a buildup of oils and dead skin on your scalp, which can actually hinder hair growth. So keep up with your regular shampooing routine. But if you notice excessive hair loss, it might be worth consulting with a healthcare professional. Armed with the right knowledge, you can now take better care of your hair. And there you have it, the secrets to healthy, shiny hair. We delved into how your diet plays a pivotal role in your hair health, underscoring the importance of nourishing your body with the right nutrients. We uncovered the essential hair care habits that can transform your tresses, from regular trims to avoiding excessive heat. We explored the magic of do-it-yourself hair masks, a fun and effective way to add that extra shine. And we debunked some common hair care myths, helping you steer clear of misinformation and focus on what truly works. Now it's your turn to put these tips into action. Try them out, and don't hesitate to share your experiences. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, and what works wonders for one may not work the same for another. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and secrets. Until next time, keep shining.